I would like to talk to you about transformations of graphs that look like this. So I think some people may have forgotten about this, or it was a little unclear in the first place, so I thought it would be helpful just to make an extra video. So just a reminder that if you have 1 over x, a reciprocal graph, the general shape of the graph is this, right? Where x cannot equal 0 because that's an asymptote, sorry, this way as is an asymptote, and y cannot equal 0 because that's an asymptote. So what we're going to do here is think about how does this move that graph? Remember, when we're attached to the x, it actually goes in the other direction. So this is being moved to the left one, and this is our vertical translation. So it's being moved up 3. So that now means that our new asymptotes are when y is 3 and x is -1. So now we have a graph that follows these asymptotes. So that's how you translate. So if I gave you, let's stick with this, and I'm going to translate this using this vector. So I want you to think about what you would do to this equation if you need to move it 2 places to the left. So this is asking us to go left, and this is asking us to go up. All right. So hopefully you remember, this just makes it climb steeper, so don't worry about this. It just makes it steeper. It doesn't change its translation. This, we're being asked to go left 2 more than this. So hopefully you can see that this would be +3. We're going left in an extra 2 units. And then we have to go up 2 more from here, so it should be +5. All right, I'm going to do it again from here. Let's go back to the original graph. I'm going to take that, and this time I'm going to translate it. Whoops. Let's make that 4, and let's make this -5. So if I want to translate this original graph using this column matrix, or vector, sorry, column vector, what would I do? I'm still going to leave the top. This 2 is just about stretching. It doesn't actually do anything. So I need to move to the right 4, which means from 1, I need to subtract 4. So it's going to be x -3 this time. I'm going from +1, and I'm moving 4 units across. Now, if I started at +3 and I have to take away 5, I'm going to end up at -2. So this would be the translation of this graph, and this is what it would look like now. Hopefully you can see what it would look like on the graph if you had to draw it. This would be 3 over here, right? So that would be -3, and this should be +5. So then the graph should, if I went up a few more, the graph should look like that. And if I did the green one, hopefully you can see that it should be 3 over here. So that would be 3, and it would be -2. So I'd be down here, and so my graph would look like that. This would be my new set of asymptotes. All right, so that's just a short explainer video about translating these types of graphs. All right, good luck.